Yes, I too will come along with you for a walk. Now, what's the mistake in this sentence? We need to put a comma after yes. Now it is correct. Yes, comma, I too will come along with you for a walk. Whenever a sentence begins with yes, no, well, of course, similarly, etc., we need to put a comma after it. Here we have another sentence. Of course I will come to your birthday party. Now, what's missing in this sentence? We need to put a comma after of course. So, this sentence should be, of course, comma, I will come to your birthday party. Now here we have another sentence. We will be buying biscuits and noodles and pizzas and juices for the picnic. Now what's wrong in this sentence? It's the placement of and is wrong in this sentence. We can't place and so many times. When we have to mention a list of things, then we have to separate the first thing in the list by the use of comma, and the last one is separated by the use of and. So it should be, we will be buying biscuits, comma, noodles, comma, pizzas, and juices for the picnic. Now let's see another usage of comma. We also use comma to separate the name of some person. If the sentence is starting with the name, for example, Sam, comma, please come here. Trivia, comma, you are looking extremely gorgeous. So friends, you have to separate the name if you are beginning the sentence with a name. Now let's have some more examples of such kind. Mr. John, comma, please clear your due. Mr. Matthew, comma, your child is waiting for you outside the school. Janelia, comma, your dress is looking extremely pretty.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!